In this video, let me show you how to use Zillow Home Loans to get pre-approved fast. So if you're trying to use the home loans of Zillow, you'll need to start off by using the verified pre-approvals. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the app or even the website of Zillow, head over to the three lines on the top left, expand the get a mortgage section, and right here you'll be able to see the option which says discover Zillow Home Loans. You can simply tap on this option. Now before you start this, you'll need to gather your financials first of all, which are the financial documents such as your tax documents, income proof, as well as the asset statements. Now once you're inside of this platform, you'll need to opt for a verified pre-approval. So you can simply tap on the get pre-approval button and then tap on the get pre-qualified. Now before you can fill this in, make sure you have a credit score of at least 620, which is required, and also requires a down payment, which typically ranges from 0 to VA loans, which is around 3%. So you can fill in all of this information based upon what you're currently looking at, and all of these other information are gonna pop up which you'll need to fill in. And before you start, you'll need to fill in the zip code or the city name. So by following this exact process, you'd be able to use the Zillow Home Loans to get pre-approvals fast. If this card video did help you out, be sure to let us know. That's going to be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.